On today's episode of Watch JR Go, we buy the cheapest car on the internet. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch JR Go, and today we stole my brother's truck. We've got a trailer, and we're going to pick up the cheapest car on the internet. I've got Darrell with me, and I mean, he might try to drive this car back. I don't know who's driving this car back, and I don't know if anyone's driving this car back because it was the cheapest running and driving car on GovPlanet. And if you don't go get the car that you buy at the auction, you end up with a lot of really big problems like storage fees and admin fees. And the car could have cost me, I think, $1,500 when I read through the terms and conditions if I don't go get it. So obviously we're going to get it. It runs and drives, and it was dirt cheap. And we're just gonna find out what we're getting into. So we'll see you guys when we get to Fort Riley, Kansas. And we are official now. Darrell and I got our access passes here, and we're heading on base right now to pick up this car. So we should be there any second now, 0.3 miles. And we're meeting the guy from GovPlanet. This is quite a bit more difficult than buying a car on Copart or something like that, because you have to have military base access to go pick it up. Anyway, it's been interesting, and we're just about there. Well, Darrell and I haven't ate, so we're gonna hit the PX and get some food because they have everything. What's going on? Oh man, there's a bunch of cars here. Yeah, that smart car went for like, I was trying to buy it, it was at 1,000, and the second bidding opened, it went to like 3,500 or 4,000. Dang. Yeah, there's our car. This chrome wheel 3800 GT right there. Right, here's the car. We got a flat tire, lots of body panels missing. We're gonna grab the jump pack and the air compressor, try to get a little air in that tire, start this guy up, and get out of here. And I have to say thank you to Cove Audio for sponsoring today's video. Here's the Cove commuter, and it's perfect for things like this, where you're going out in the middle of nowhere to pick up a car at an impound lot on a military base. You can grab your commuter, set it right beside you, and have some entertainment while you're trying to start the car and play around. Listen to this thing. Check out this passive subwoofer. Woo! This thing gets after it. And if you have to drive this car, which I hope you never do, it fits perfectly in the cup holder. Let's get in here. Oh, can't stand on that. Oh yeah. Well, that's where the cup holder should be if this car had one. But we could definitely drive along with entertainment when the radio doesn't work. So I have to give a huge shout out to Cove Audio for sponsoring this video. And if you want to pick one of these up for a massive discount, the link is in the description below. And you can use code JRL65. It's 65% off. Go check it out, coveaudio.com. And here we are with my new $120 cheapest car on the internet, 1998 Pontiac Grand Prix. Of course, we just picked it up, and it was on base, and they were like, well, you guys need to get out of here. So we didn't get to shoot any video on base. We just pulled off base and strapped the car down, and now we're getting our protection on so we can take a look at this car for you guys. It looked pretty nasty on the internet. And yeah, let's take a look. Here's the car. We're missing this door panel here, as you can see. And floors are trashed. You can see it was a smoker. Lots and lots of ash in there. No headrest. We've got a leather car freshener, cracked dash. Steering wheel controls are trashed. Everything's nasty in the center. Let's hop up in here. Luckily, protected from that. There's some more brake pads, some money. What else we got in here? Lots of trash, money, water, cigarettes, money, missing door panel, trash. It looks like a light bulb, but it's actually a plastic bag, I think. CD player and an EQ, that's fancy. Ooh-wee. There's not much to say about Grand Prix that I haven't said yet, but look, every time I shut the door, if I slam it hard enough, the car is falling apart by the minute. I don't think we can put this on the road. We got this guy right here. This is a nice one. The tires are, they were all flat when we picked it up, so that wasn't great. We do have the good old GT exhaust on here, and you can see all of the suspension is rusty. Muffler probably has holes in it from the rust. Woo-wee! It's not pretty. Trunk is full of water and mold and trash. and I would open it for you guys, but I have to hook the jump pack up so we can push the trunk switch in the glove compartment to open that. The key doesn't work for some reason. I don't know what's going on with that. It's a new key from a locksmith. We made it in the trunk. Here you go, guys. Pillows, nasty purse, something, maybe the door panel, magic cards. Brakes and oil though. Bonus! Hasn't been tagged since 2016. Yeah, here's the rest of the car. You can see the fender got chopped off right here. Probably got in an accident and they needed to open the door. There's some of that nice body rust. Yeah, so if you buy the cheapest car on the internet, you should probably plan on driving straight to a salvage yard and crushing it. What we really bought today was this wonderful piece of equipment. This is a $3,000 water pump, and I paid $100 for it. So yeah, I'm excited about this. If you're interested in this awesome water pump, it's a Flowmax 8 from M&P Pumps. Hit me up. Let's see if we can get this thing home. We strapped it down pretty well. I'm excited to see what happens. Well, boys and girls, we only made it to O'Reilly's to pick up tracker parts, and I don't own the car anymore. Jesse bought this thing from me, so it's going away. We hauled it back to Wichita, unloaded off the trailer. He gets a new car, and he got it running too. Well, you know, we just started on brake cleaner. It was fine. Started right up and idled until the nice backfire. So say goodbye to the cheapest Grand Prix / car on the internet on that day that I bought it, because that's probably only valid for one day. One more look around. We looked through the trunk, we found a new oil filter, a new fuel filter, MicroGuard oil filter, Wix fuel filter, a full set of brakes from Standard, well, a full set of fronts, I think. And yeah, quite a few parts ready to go. Just needs a battery and some love. That's the end of the Grand Prix.
Here we go, my first ride in the Grand Prix.
First ride in the Grand Prix. All right, you gotta tell me where to go.
Oh yeah, how am I gonna, you ride back here.
Oh, a video. It starts and dies. Oh, it runs so rough. You can hear it running rough through the video. It idles. All right, here we go again. A 98 Grand Prix GT. Bidding just open. We got 3 minutes left. Starting bids at 100. But here is a tricky fee, a $75 locksmith fee, which means we're already at 175, which is probably too much. But I will enter. I think I can enter exactly 100, right? Place bid. I am the high bidder. Unfortunately, this is the dumbest thing I've ever bought. I hope somebody outbids me. I really hope somebody outbids me so I don't have to go get this piece of junk. Ooh, I've been outbid. Okay, I know. I have a problem. I only created a GovPlanet account because I wanted to buy a Humvee. What am I doing? I can feel my wallet crying right now. Well, I guess I own it. There's my new Grand Prix GT. Massive mistake special. I only have 8 days to go pick it up, of course, because that's how GovPlanet works. That might be the cheapest car sold on the internet today, $135.89. The cheapest Grand Prix on the internet was a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for watching as we went and got it. You know, picked up what might be another biohazard car. Most of the biohazard was in the trunk, but anyway, here we are. We came home with an empty trailer after leaving with an empty trailer to get the car, but we do have this super nice water pump and enough parts from O'Reilly's to rebuild just about any geo tracker. That is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Well, Jake, are you ready to work on some motorcycle?
Yeah.
Are you ready to get this water pump hooked up and pump some water?
That looks like fun. What's it for?
Yeah, I guess it's a 3,000 gallon per, I thought it said minute, but hour seems more likely.
Yeah.
Water pump. The Army used it for water purification.
Is this what you bought instead of a Pontiac?
No, I bought the Pontiac too. It's already gone.
Oh.
We sold it on the way home. Oh, these are my pajamas from now on. protects me from bacteria. If anyone sees us like this, dude, they're calling the cops. Guaranteed.